How to log in to Myntra using email. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily log in to Myntra using email. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Myntra app and then tap on these three lines in the top left corner here and then tap on login sign up. Now here it is asking for mobile number. Even if you don't have access to your mobile number, you still have to enter it here first. So enter it here, and then after entering mobile number, tap on continue. Now what you have to do is you have to tap on login using password, and then here it says email or mobile number. So you have to clear your mobile number, and after clearing your mobile number, enter your email here, then enter your password. But if you forgot your password, you can tap on here reset here, enter here email, and tap on send link. And now go to your email. You will receive an email like this from Myntra, and then here you have to tap on reset password, and you will be taken to the Myntra app, and then here enter your new password and again enter here the new password to confirm and tap on reset password. And here you can see that it says password has been successfully changed. Login to continue. So tap on login to continue. Then here if it's again asks you for your mobile number, just tap on mobile number and enter your mobile number even if you don't have access to it. Then here tap on login using password and then enter your email. Then enter here password, then tap on login, and you will be logged into your Myntra account. And so this is how you can log into your Myntra account using email. Thanks for watching.